The next question is, what exactly are people asking AI? And how do we make sure our brand shows up in those answers? That's what prompt research is for. On the left side, go to the AI Visibility Toolkit and then click Prompt Research. This functions very similarly to that keyword magic tool we just used. You want to enter a high-level topic to analyze. So let's enter olive oil for Brightland, but you can enter whatever high-level topic makes sense for you. Click Analyze when you're ready to search. And here's the results page. The top bar shows us some really important stats at a quick glance. For example, on the left side, we can see that the total volume with AI tools searches for this topic per month are 3.2 million. This spans 706 subtopics, 19.9 thousand prompts, 5 different intent types, 15.3 thousand brands, and 23.3 thousand source domains. So let's take a look at the related topics here. I'm going to close out this pop-up. Just like the keyword magic tool showed us keywords that were related to our seed keyword, the prompt research tool shows us subtopics that are related to the bigger topic. For example, this first one here, we have olive oil and its benefits. And if you click into it using the arrow at the left, you can see a list of prompts that are being searched for, as well as the AI response. The right column shows you the brands that are mentioned or how many of them there are, and it also shows you the sources. In our case here, we can see that people are searching quite a bit for best olive oils to buy. That's great to know that people are asking that of AI. And we can click View Full Response to see what the Google AI summary is telling people. This pop-up shows us here the prompt at the top. So someone searches on Google for best olive oils to buy. The Google AI response comes back something like this. It gives the top paragraph here explaining a few different brands, lists some best olive oils to buy, and then goes on to explain other things like tips for buying quality olive oil. It lists a bunch of different resources, and you can scroll through it. This is quite interesting to look at, and there's a lot of information here. The top right shows you all of the different brands that are mentioned. We can actually see Brightland is mentioned, so that's good. It's mentioned along all these other brands though, and so we definitely want to try to see what we can do to get Brightland featured a little bit more prominently. It shows you all the sources down here, and this is quite information dense. So look at it, but don't get overwhelmed. Just scan through, see if your brand is being mentioned or not, and then from there you can decide if it's worth targeting this keyword. All right, see the pattern? Keywords are what people type into Google. Prompts are what people ask AI. It's the same intent, just different platforms. And Semrush One lets you research both from the same dashboard. That's the whole point of this tool. Okay, so we've got some thorough research here. How do you take action on this though? Well, what you can do is you can create content to target one of these keywords. Like in our example here, if we wanted to create some content to try to target and rank better for best olive oils to buy and get AI talking about us more, the easiest thing you can do is click Create Content. That will route you into Semrush's Content Toolkit. Now, this is an add-on beyond the Semrush One plan that we've just signed up for, but you can try it out free with a trial for 7 days. This will get you access to their AI article generator. It's a really powerful, robust toolkit that lets you create entire articles that are optimized to help you rank better for your selected keywords and prompts. And it'll also give you access to their SEO brief generator. This helps you generate briefs if you're working with a marketing agency or a copywriter and you want to brief them quickly on the kind of content you want to create to rank better. I highly recommend checking out this content toolkit because it's a really easy way to supercharge your content creation efforts. That said, it's beyond the scope of what we're going to cover today.